Good morning, mighty owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Wednesday, September 30th, 2020. It's a C day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Flores is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. Scholars were in classes on virtual, participating, answering on Signal. They were doing an amazing job. Nice job, scholars. I also saw that in AR, we are getting more and more and more word masters. Can't wait for our first royal reader. Keep going, scholars. You're doing an amazing job. The more you read, the more you know. And also, I saw that a lot of our scholars are doing Imagine Learning and Hotspot. Nice job for doing Dreambox and Imagine Learning. Great job, scholars. Keep up the great work. Remember, every day counts, so attend school every day. Have a great day. Today is a great day to learn. Hoot, hoot.